Hey guys, it's Barb. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my self-tan routine at home, and also I'm gonna share with you a few tips and tricks that will change the game. I've been doing this for a few years now, and I get so many compliments about my skin color and how glowy my skin looks. So the first thing I do, and it's the most important step, is to prepare our skin. We have to make sure that our skin is clean and smooth. I personally like to double exfoliate. I start with this body scrub. It's the Magic Crystals from Lash, one of the best body scrubs ever. Next, I'm using these very old exfoliating gloves. I know I need to buy new ones. These two steps will help to remove all the dead skin of our body and open the pores. Speaking of pores, make sure that you exfoliate and save your body at least 4 to 5 hours before you apply fake tan, because if you do it right after the shower, you're gonna end up with dark spots, and I'm sure that nobody likes strawberry legs. Okay, now for the tan, I'm using the filter by Molly-Mae, the extra dark. One last step before the application, I like to moisturize 6 certain areas: wrists, hands, elbows, knees, ankles, and feet. This helps to prevent the self-tan from going into these areas for a flawless finish. Okay, now finally the fun part. I take my mitt and I apply a good amount of the self-tanner. I like to start from my legs and then go up. I blend in very well so I can make sure that there's no patches anywhere. I leave my feet and my hands for the end, and that's because these two areas tend to get super dark, so you only need the excess of the meat, very lightly. Then with a baby wipe, I clean the palm of my hand and between the fingers, so we can have a very natural finish. Okay, now for my face, I'm using the filter by Molly-Mae self-tanning drops. I have a very sensitive skin and self-tanners usually cause me breakouts, but this specific one is amazing. Here again, I have prepped the skin and we have a clean and hydrated base. So now we can move on to the application. I use a makeup pad and apply 3 to 4 drops of the tan. I blend it very well, gently with circular motion all over the face. And for extra help, I take a brush like this and blend it even more for better result. Okay, now I put my loose pajamas on and I'm gonna leave it for 6 to 8 hours to marinate. Also, I must emphasize that all self-tanners are a bit sticky. I've tried many brands, so don't believe when people say that it dries in 5 minutes, for example. It's a bit sticky at first, but after a couple of hours it's completely gone. It also depends on the weather. I've noticed that during the summer, just because the temperature is higher, it gets more time to dry on the skin. So guys, this is the final result. This is how the color looks like. I don't know if you can tell through the camera how dark it is. In reality, it looks very dark. Anyway, now all we have to do is to keep our skin very hydrated so we can have a glowy and healthy skin. I personally like to use this body moisturizer. It's the Bondi Essence. This is one of my favorite body moisturizers. It has a coconut scent and also keeps my skin very hydrating for many hours. Look how glowy makes my skin looks. I love it. And it smells amazing. So guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. This is how I do my self-tanning routine at home. Please subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. And share this video with your friends, family, whoever you want. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys!